Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in plane analytic geometry, and I consider this as a challenge and beautiful problem in plane analytic geometry. So for those who are new, you may find this interesting and important in your studies in engineering. I hope that your skills in algebra, in mathematics, will be enhanced through the videos that I uploaded in my channel. So this is the original problem. A triangle has its sides given by the equations x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0, 2x minus y minus 10 equals 0, and 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0. So find the equation of the circle inscribed in that triangle. So going back, let's sketch the graph of each of these lines. Then we have to draw the uh, circle inscribed in the triangle. So let's have these squares 2 by 2 units, so that the first line, when y is 0, x is 5, when x is 0, y is 2.5. So this is the origin, 5 here, 2.5 somewhere here. So that's the graph of x plus 2y minus 5 equals 0. Then for the second line, when y is 0, x is also 5. So here, it passes through this. And when x is 0, y is negative 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It passes through this point. Sorry, this point here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it should pass through this point here. Don't mind the graph, it's the solution that matters here. Then 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0, x is 0, y is negative 2 here, and when y is 0, x is negative 1 there. So that's the line, that's correct graph, except this we should move it here or rotate it here, because this is the same point of intersection, so you just adjust a little. So this is now these are now the different lines, and the inscribed circle will be drawn here, and the distance will be r1, r2, and r3, same values except for the sign in our formula, but all these are supposedly positive because r1, r2, r3 represent the radius of this inscribed circle. Now for r1, this distance, this point is below this line here, so in the formula, which is derived in my other playlist in plane analytic geometry 1, you just go over there, you just visit the channel, and that particular video, plane analytic geometry 1, and you can find that the derivation of the distance formula, which is plus minus quantity ax1 plus by1 plus c over plus plus minus square root of a square plus b square as distance from a point to a line. So this formula here, distance equals r also in this problem, plus minus quantity ax1 plus by1 plus c over plus minus square root of a square plus b square. Now remember the rule that we use plus if the point lies above for this sign here, and for the sign of the radical, it is the same sign as the sign of the coefficient of y, or the sign of b. So for the first, we set up r1 equals r2. R1 is, for the sign here, is negative because the point x comma y, which represents x1 and y1, is below that line there, and R2 is positive because that point x comma y is above the line 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0. So it is negative of quantity x plus 2y minus 5 over square root of 1 square plus 2 square, positive square root of 1 square plus 2 square is square root of 5. And for R2, it is positive of 2x plus y plus 2 over square root of 2 square plus 1 square. It's also square root of 5, and the sign is positive because the coefficient of y is positive. Coefficient b is positive. So we can cancel this square root of 5. Then we have negative x minus 2y plus 5 equals 2x plus y plus 2. And combining, so don't mind this. So 3x, 2x plus x is 3x. Then y, which is negative 2y, so y plus 2y is 3y, and negative of negative 5 is positive 5, so positive 5 minus 2 equals 3. Dividing everything by 3, so x plus y equals 1. Call that equation 1. Then let's have R1 equals R3. We copy this for R1. For R3, the point lies above this line, so positive quantity 2x minus y minus 10 over negative square root of 5 because the coefficient of y is negative. So negative quantity x plus 2y minus 5 over square root of 5 is positive of quantity 2x minus y minus 10 over negative square root of 5. So again, the denominator is, the sign is negative because the coefficient of y is negative. So we cancel square root of 5, simplifying. So we have, of course, negative, negative, so that this becomes positive after we divide everything by negative 1. So x plus 2y minus y equals 2x minus y minus 10. Simplifying, this is x, 2x minus x is x, then negative y minus 2y, negative 3y, x minus 3y equals negative 5 plus 10, 5. X minus 3y equals 5. Equation 2, solving equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, or subtracting equation 2 from 1 to eliminate x. So we have 4y equals negative 4, so y is negative 1. So this is the point or the center. So h comma k, solving equations 1 and 2 simultaneously, we have x is 2 and y is negative 1. So the standard equation of the circle is quantity x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. This is the standard equation of a circle. So r equals r2, the radius is, let's copy R2 here, 2 times x, which is 2, plus y, which is negative 1, then plus 2 over square root of 5. 4 minus 1 is 3, plus 2, 5. 5 over square root of 5 is square root of 5, so the radius is square root of 5. And substitute into the standard form of equation of circle, then we have x minus 2 quantity square plus y plus 1 quantity square equals square root of 5 square. So simplifying, x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square plus 2y plus 1 equals 5. Then simplifying further, equation of circle, therefore, inscribed in these three sides or three lines, or inscribed in this triangle is x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y equals 0. So that's it for this problem.